Hey everyone, welcome to Stack Genius Coder YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to make you understand about how to fetch department's average salary based on employees' salary record. Here we have two tables, employees and departments table. In this employees table, we have name, department ID, which is foreign key of department's primary key, and the salary column. In departments table, we have ID column, which is primary key column, and department name. So we are going to fetch average salary in each department based on employee salary record. To do this, select department name from the departments table, and the salary, this salary column from the employees table, from departments. I'm giving depth as an alias for this departments table. To get an average salary, we need to use Windows aggregate function. So I'm using avg keyword. I'm giving the alias a salary column. So we need to mention this alias in the prefix of the column. This salary column basically from employees table, so we need to join employees table with the departments table with a matching key. Okay, let's do this. Join employees, which employee is alias as emp. So this alias we need to give here, emp. Then the matching column, which is depth dot. In the department table we have ID, and in the employee table we have department ID. We have used the Windows function avg, so we need to group the salary column. Select and execute. Now we got the average salary in each departments. The second question is, suppose we need to get average salary above 60,000 or 50,000. We can do this. To do this, we can use having keyword. avg that salary greater than 55 or 60,000. Let me give the 60,000. Select and execute. Now we got the average salary above 60,000. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.